Which built-in Azure role allows a user to manage virtual machines but not access them? A. Virtual machine contributor. B. Virtual machine operator. C. Virtual machine administrator. D. Virtual machine user. La respuesta correcta es A. Virtual machine contributor. The virtual machine contributor role allows a user to manage virtual machines but does not grant access to them. The virtual machine operator role, on the other hand, allows monitoring and restarting of VMs, but not full management. What is the primary difference between the owner and contributor built-in roles in Azure? A. Owner can manage resources but not assign roles. Contributor can assign roles but not manage resources. B. Owner can assign roles and manage resources. Contributor can only manage resources. C. Owner can only assign roles. Contributor can only manage resources. D. Owner can manage resources but not assign roles. Contributor can manage resources and assign roles. La respuesta correcta es B. Owner can assign roles and manage resources. Contributor can only manage resources. The owner role has full access to all resources and can delegate access to others by assigning roles. The contributor role can manage all resources but cannot grant access to others. Which built-in role should be assigned to a user who needs to manage Azure AD resources but not other Azure resources? A. Global Administrator. B. User Administrator. C. Directory Reader. D. Directory Administrator. La respuesta correcta es B. User Administrator. The User Administrator role allows a user to manage all aspects of users and groups in Azure AD, but does not grant permissions to manage other Azure resources. The Global Administrator role, however, has full access to all administrative features in Azure AD. Which built-in role is required to manage Azure policy assignments? A. Policy Contributor. B. Policy Administrator. C. Policy Reader. D. Policy Manager. La respuesta correcta es A. Policy Contributor. The Policy Contributor role allows a user to create and manage policy definitions and assignments. The Policy Reader role can only view policy definitions and assignments. What built-in role should be assigned to a user who needs to monitor Azure resources but not make any changes? A. Reader. B. Monitor. C. Viewer. D. Inspector. La respuesta correcta es A. Reader. The Reader role allows a user to view all resources but not make any changes. This role is ideal for users who need to monitor resources without having the ability to alter them. Which built-in role allows a user to manage all resources in a subscription, including access management? A. Subscription Contributor. B. Subscription Owner. C. Resource Manager. D. Resource Administrator. La respuesta correcta es B. Subscription Owner. The Subscription Owner role has full access to all resources in a subscription, including the ability to manage access by assigning roles. The Subscription Contributor role can manage resources but cannot assign roles.